Welcome to DigiName service. In this video, we are going to learn how to link our domain with our free website template. You might be aware that if any VLE buys any domain from www.diginame.in, they will get a 5-page free website template and hosting for 1 year. Features of free website are 5 pages, free hosting, responsive website, social media handlers, support Google Analytics, publish announcements, advertisements, feedback and query form, sliders and photo gallery. In social media handlers, you can add your Facebook and Twitter handles. In announcement section, you can add any announcement in your website. Example, you have started any new service or you are going to organize any camp. In advertisement section, you can add any advertisement in your website. Example, you are providing any offer in services or products. In feedback query form, any customer who is availing any service in your CSC center can give feedback regarding your service. In sliders and photo gallery, you can add photos of activities on your CSC center. Now there are several steps to host our free website. To host your free website, you have to register your domain name first. After domain name registration, you have to update the name servers. Next, you have to register for free website plan. Third, you have to edit your website. Fourth, you have to link your domain with your free website template. Now we are going to do a live website hosting of a VLE's website. For that, you have to visit www.diginame.in. From here, you can buy your domain. To know the process of domain registration, you can refer to domain registration manual. After domain registration, you have to update the name servers. For that, first you have to log in DigiName. For login, you have to log in as a registered user. VLE can log in via CSC Connect. After login, click on Visit My Account. Your DigiName dashboard will be opened. To check the details of domains that you have bought through DigiName, you have to go My Products, Domains. You will see the details of all domains that you have bought through DigiName. You have to copy the customer ID of domain that you want to link with your free website. Now go to the Manage DNS section. Select customer ID and paste the copied customer ID here and click on Search. Select the domain from the list. In this window, you can see the details of your domain. You can see the domain status is OK, that means your domain is active. As you can see, there are 2 name servers which are already updated with your domain. Now we have to update these 4 name servers. Before updating these name servers, please ensure that you have not hosted any website with your domain. Otherwise, you will lost all your previous website. You have to update these name servers only when you want to use free website template and hosting. Now to update name servers, first you have to click on Update Name Server. Then are you sure you want to continue? Copy the first 2 name servers one by one and paste here. While updating first 2 name servers, you have to select on Delete Existing, as we want to delete these already updated name servers. After selecting Delete Existing, you have to click on Generate OTP. OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number. After entering the OTP, click on Submit OTP button and then Update. You will get the message that name servers are updated successfully. Now we have to update the remaining 2 name servers. For that we have to follow the same process. Go to My Products, Domains, and copy the customer ID of the domain. Visit Manage DNS, select type as customer ID and paste your customer ID here. Click on search. Select the domain from the list. You can check that these 2 name servers are updated here. Now we have to update the remaining 2 name servers. Copy the name servers. Click on update name server. Are you sure you want to continue? Paste the name servers one by one. Now we will select keep all as we want to keep our previously updated name servers. Now we will click on generate OTP. Enter your OTP here and click on submit OTP and then update. The name servers are updated successfully. To check whether your name servers are updated or not, you have to go to the My Products section, Domains, copy the customer ID, go to Manage DNS section, select customer ID, paste the customer ID here, click on search, select domain. You can check that your 4 name servers are updated. Now we will learn how to register for free website plan and how to edit our free website. For website registration, visit homepage of www.diginem.in. On the home page, there are website plans and information. From there, you have to select free website plan. Click on register now. Click on select plan. Click on select. Enter title of your website. Enter any URL for your site. Click on continue to next step. Create your username. Enter your email ID. Create your password. While creating your password, make sure that you have entered minimum 5 characters and maximum 12 characters. You have to use 1 capital letter, 1 small letter, 1 special character and 1 numeric value. So now we will create our password. After creating your password, click on Create Account. Your WordPress panel will be open. From here, you can edit your website. To check your register template, right-click on your site name, open link in New tab. Here, you can check your 5-page website template. You can edit the content of this template. You can edit this header section, the content of home page, home sliders, announcement section, advertisement section, photo gallery, footer section. Next page is About VLE. In About VLE page, you can edit this featured image, the content of About VLE page. In Products page, you can edit this featured image and the list of products. You can add any product which you are providing on your CSC center, or you can remove any product from here. In Services page, you can edit this featured image, you can add new services, or you can remove any old service. Next page is Contact Us. In Contact Us page, you can edit this featured image, your contact details and email ID of your feedback form, on which you will receive the feedback of customers. Now we will start editing of our website. We will start from the header section. Now we will see how to edit this header section. To edit this header section, click on Appearance, Theme Options. From here, you can edit the logo of your site. To remove the old logo, click on Remove Media, click on OK. To add the new logo, click on Add Media. You can select File from your computer. Click on Send to Option Tree. To change the text of logo, change your CSC ID, click on Save Changes. Now go to the website and refresh your website. You can check that the changes are done here. Now we will see how to edit the home sliders. To edit these home sliders, visit on Home Sliders. You can add new sliders from Add New button. Enter the name of slider. Click on Add Image. Add any image for the slider. Click Select. Click on Publish. To check the changes, go to the website, refresh your website. You can check that sliders are changed. Now we will see how to edit this content. To edit this content, go to the Pages section, Home page, Edit. Click on Edit Text Block. edit the text, like I am entering new service here. Click on Save Changes, and after changing your content, click on Update. Now to check the changes, go to the website, refresh your site. You can check that the changes has been done. Now we will see how to add or remove announcements. For that, go to the announcement section. To add new announcements, click on Add New. Add title of your announcement, like PMJ Disha Camp on 5th of August. Add image for your announcement. Click on Select and Publish. To remove any announcement, again go to the announcement section. Click on Trash button of the announcement which you want to delete. Just like we want to delete Diginame domain sale 30% discount. So click on Trash button. Now to check the changes, go to the website, click on Refresh button. Now you can check that your announcement has been added and the old announcement has been removed. Now we will edit the advertisement section. To edit this advertisement section, go to the advertisement tab. To add new advertisement, click on Add New. Add title for your advertisement. Sale in Diginame. Add image for your advertisement. Click on Select and Publish. To check the changes, go to the website again, refresh your website, and you can see that the advertisement has been added. Now we will see how to add or remove any photo from photo gallery. For that, go to the photo gallery section. You can check the list of photos that are already added in your website. So to remove any photo, go to the photo, click on Trash button. To add a new photo, click on Add New. Enter title for your photo, like PMJ Disha Camp. Add image. Select, click on Publish. To check the changes, go to the website again, refresh your site, and you can check the photo has been added and the old photos has been removed. Now we will see how to edit this footer section. Here you can add your copyright, you can add your Facebook handle or your Twitter handle. For that, go to the Appearance tab, Themes option, Footer section, edit your copyright, add your Facebook handle, add your Twitter handle, and click on Save Changes. To check the changes, go to the website again, refresh your site. You can check that the copyright has been edited. Now we will edit About VLE page. In this page, we can edit this featured image and the content of About VLE page. For that, go to the Pages tab, About VLE, Edit, click on Edit Text Block, edit the text, click on Save Changes. To change the featured image, remove the previous updated image from Remove Featured Image. To set the new featured image, click on Set Featured Image. Select any image, click on Set Featured Image and update. To check the changes, go to the website again, refresh your site. You can check that the changes has been done. Now we will see how to edit the products page. Here you can edit this featured image and list of products. So first we will see how to edit this featured image. To edit this featured image, go to the Pages section, Products, Edit, remove previously updated featured image, set new featured image, click on Set Featured Image and update. To check the updates, go to the website again, refresh your site. You can check the featured image has been changed. Now we will see how to add or remove any products. For that, go to the Products tab. To add new product, click on Add New. Enter your product title, a description of your product, enter your product price, enter your button text, set image of your product from Set Featured Image, click on Set Featured Image and publish. To remove any product, go to the Product tab. Like I want to remove T-shirt for man. Go to the T-shirt for man and click on Fresh. To check the changes, go to the website again and refresh your site. My one product has been added and other one has been removed. Now we will see how to edit our services page. In services page, you can edit this featured image and the services. First, we will see how to edit this featured image. To edit this featured image, go to the Pages tab, Services, Edit, remove previous updated image, set new image, click on Set Featured Image and update. To check the changes, go to the website, refresh your page. You can check the image has been updated. Now we will add new service. For this, go to the Services page. To add new service, click on Add New button. Add title for your service, CSCMLN. Add description of your service. Enter price for your service. enter your button text, set image for your service, you can add any image, set featured image, click on publish button. To remove any service, go to the service tab, click on trash. To check the update, go to the website again, refresh your site. You can check the changes has been updated. Now we will edit contact us page. In this page, we can edit this featured image and contact details. First, we will see how to edit this featured image. Go to the Pages tab, Contact Us, Edit. Remove previously updated image from Remove Featured Image. Set New Image. Click on Set Featured Image and Update. To check the changes, refresh your website. You can check that the image has been updated. Now we will edit our contact details. To edit the contact details, go to the Appearance tab, Theme Options, Contact Us, update your address here, update your mobile number here, update your email ID, click on Save Changes. Now to check the changes, go to the website again, refresh your site. You can check the changes here. Now we will update the email IDs of feedback form. On those email IDs, you will receive the feedback which is provided by the customer. To update the email IDs, go to the contact forms, edit. Here you can see these 4 tabs: form, mail, messages, additional setting. In mail tab, you have to update your email ID in to and from section. After updating your email ID, click on save. Your email ID will be updated. If in any case you are not receiving your feedbacks on your email ID, then you can check your feedback from this panel also. To check your feedback, go to the account form, contact forms, contact me. Here you can see all the received feedbacks. Now we are done with the editing of our website. Now we will link our domain with our free website template. For that, go to the account tab. In this, you have to enter your domain name. After entering your domain name, copy this IP address, go to your Diginame dashboard, visit my account, my product section, domains, copy the customer ID of your domain which you want to link with your free website. Go to the manage DNS section, select customer ID, paste the copied customer ID, click on search, select domain from the list, paste the copied ID IP address in this A record and click on save button. After clicking on save button, go to your WordPress panel again, enter your domain here and click on set custom domain. Now your domain has been linked with your free website template. Now you can access your website using your domain name. Thank you.